Hi, in today's episode I'm going to extend my LED lights by an audio function which reacts to music and sound. This is great for parties and also for ambient moods. This project is based on my RGB lamp which I recently made for Electromaker. The lamp can be controlled with an IoT remote or even your phone. One main feature is to wake you up with an artificial sunrise. If you didn't see this project, I will link it in the description. As I was developing it, I also implemented an animated notification function. This led to the idea to add some disco modes, which are real fun. But the animations didn't really match with the beat of the music or the played notes. Since the ESP8266 has an ADC built in, I immediately thought of the idea to connect a microphone to it. Unfortunately, all the microphone sensor boards are not real amplifiers. The analog amplitude of the sound is way too low to do anything else than beat detection. The capsules used here are electret microphones, and I did a video on how to amplify the output a few years ago. The goal was to get an AC audio signal back then. Now we need it with an DC offset since the ADC can't acquire negative voltages. Often when I work with bipolar junction transistors, either the outcome is incomprehensible or the signals are very delicate and hard to reproduce. This time I will use simple operation amplifiers to boost the signal. The output current we get from the microphone is very low, and the amplitude of the voltage is in the millivolts range. As a first stage, I'm using an op-amp as a buffer to get a controlled current. Then I get rid of the high DC offset using a 100 nanofarad capacitor. In the next stage, I'm using a 100k ohm trimmer to get a controlled DC offset where the ambient sound is not clipped at the bottom. This signal is input to the next op-amp, which is configured as a simple voltage amplifier with another potentiometer. The DC offset is amplified as well, so our goal is to end up in the center of the voltage range at the end. We can see on the oscilloscope how the two signals affect the outcome. The first trimmer controls the space below the signal, and the potty controls the amplification and the clipping above the signal. The output signal is connected to the A0 input of the microcontroller. This simple sketch will write the recorded values to the serial output. This way you can also use the plotter from the Arduino IDE to set the signal levels to your environment. That was the hardest part. Everything else is just software. Let me hack this quickly. Okay, let's try it. I love it! What do you think? Tell me in the comments. As always, the project links can be found in the description. Consider subscribing if you liked it. To have a visual equalizer function which shows the individual notes would be neat, don't you think? So, see you next time, bye!